Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Biodiversity questions can be tricky, but we can solve this one fast by looking at the specific data trends provided in the figure for different global biomes. Additionally, the tropical extinction rate is lower than the temperate rate, meaning more species are added and fewer are lost in the tropics compared to the cooler temperate regions today. Because the net diversification rate is higher in the tropics, they have accumulated more biodiversity over time. This evidence directly supports option B as the only scientifically valid